Before I put all this stuff away, I wanted to show you this quick little cocktail system I put together last night, completely battery powered. It's an LG Systems Maui 5 Go, an Amazon HD Fire 10 tablet with a 250 gigabyte little card in it, and a microphone with a switch on it, just a cheap wired microphone. Here's that cheap microphone I was telling you about, just a Behringer, but it has a switch on it so I can
turn it on and turn it off if I have to make a quick announcement. It's wired, but it requires no power.
All I've had to do here is take this wired microphone and run a simple XLR cable out of it into the microphone input of the Maui 5 Go. There's a built-in mixer in this thing. And on the Amazon Fire HD tablet, I'll show you. I just ran a mini plug right out of the audio output into the MP3 mini plug of the Maui 5 Go. And I've accidentally just pressed play. But no, you can run this Bluetooth if you want to, and the reason I don't do that is because when you run Bluetooth you get a delay. And there's a little simple 2-wire setup that you can put together on your tablet for this DJ program that will allow you to use your headphones in queue. I've got another video on that, and I'm going to put the link to that video in the comments, or in the description of this video rather. So yeah, this is a really simple cocktail solution last night. I don't like the table I had it on. I had it on that fast set table. It's a little big. I like to go with something smaller, but yeah, $120, $130 Amazon HD Fire 10 tablet. DJ program was like $2.99. This cable, a couple bucks. This, $8.99 is what I paid for it. So anyway, quick video for you. If you have any questions, answers, whatever, let me know in the comment section. That was the cocktail setup last night. All battery powered. Practice and enjoy.